Hey everyone, I want to show you one of the coolest, most affordable, and easiest, not to mention useful modifications you could do to your BMW. Let's go check out this X1. I'll show you what we did to it. We just received and installed this Linux-based smart screen for a BMW. In this case, it's for a BMW X1 E84 with the CIC iDrive system. The screen costs just under 500 Canadian dollars, but you can get a really good discount by using the link in the description. It comes very well packaged with quite good instructions on how to install it. It took us about 2 hours to install it, and we're really not the best at doing these kind of stuff. But at the end, we installed it just fine. We didn't break anything. We didn't have any leftover screws. And as you can see, it looks great and the finish is almost perfect. The smart screen replaces the original screen, but it still retains access to all the OEM CIC iDrive screens. The iDrive controller still works, and the steering wheel controls still work, which is amazing. At the time, we didn't have a backup camera to install, but there is a video feed for one if you want to add one. But the original parking sensors, they still work just fine, so you can hear the beep beep through the speakers, which is great. You can click right here to go to the CIC original BMW screens, and from there you can use the iDrive controller and the car is just like it was before. Or you can just touch the screen again, which of course is a touch screen, and it will go back to the AutoABC menu. The screen itself is 10.25 inches. It has an impressive resolution of 1920 by 720. We couldn't really test any Android relative features like Android Auto or the AutoLink Miracast thing. Unfortunately, none of our friends have an Android phone, but as far as Apple Carplay is concerned, both wired and wireless work just fine. It was very easy to pair the two first phones, but with the third one we had quite a few issues and eventually we weren't able to pair a third one, so just keep it to up to 2 devices. The response of the unit is overall good. It's not blazing fast, but the hardware specs, which you can find in the description in detail, they're adequate for the unit. And since it's Linux based and not Android based, it shouldn't slow down in the long run. The Bluetooth quality for calls is excellent, and you can also watch videos and play MP3s via the USB port. It also supports AirPlay for audio and video, but the video we couldn't really make it work. My absolutely favorite thing about this unit is the audio quality. For music and for calls, it's as good as the OEM system was. It does plug into the auxiliary port of the vehicle, but still that doesn't compromise the audio quality at all. And for geeks like me, it even has an amazing equalizer so you can fine-tune everything to your liking. Overall, I'd have to say that the look and feel is as good as it gets. Wireless and wired CarPlay work really well. It has really good sound quality, and the ability to access the original CIC system makes it a worthy upgrade to your BMW, and they have support for many different models. So check them out because that's a really big bonus.